Hello everyone and welcome to Java Forever course. Currently we are learning manipulating strings, and in today's class we will learn about string concatenation. We have touched upon this concept in the past also. String concatenation is relatively easy. Concatenation is a fancy word for joining two strings. All we are doing is combining two strings into a single string. So as you can notice here, if I want to write, if I have two strings, let's say I have a string x equal to hello. I have another string y equal to world, and I want to join these two strings. All I have to do is to say x plus y. Now the plus operator, when applied on numbers, performs addition. But in case of a string, Java is smart enough to know that I am going to combine these two strings. So if I say string z equal to say x plus y, the z will become hello world. Now one thing you will notice that it does not add any space automatically, because I did not put any space in the hello, I did not put any space in the world, so it will join without any space. If I want a space, I have two choices. I can insert a space at the end here, or when I am joining it, I will remove this. I'll say plus one space, which is also a string, plus y. I can now join these three, x plus a space and under double quotes plus y. A space is also a valid string or character. This is how string manipulation or the concatenation or joining of a string work. Now there is a shortcut. If you remember, we have compound operator where we used plus equal to sign to add numbers. Rather than saying, if I say x 5, this is same as x equal to x plus 5. Similarly in Java, in strings, I can use the string concatenation, and I can say a plus equal to double quote hello. So whatever is the value of a, this is same as a equal to a plus hello. Now, by now, it should not look weird to you that we are doing a equal to a plus hello. Remember, this is not algebra, this is Java. In Java, you take the value of a, add hello, and move the new value back to a, override the value back to a. That is how it works. The same thing, you can write it here using a compound operator, which is nothing but a shortcut. I hope you understand this concept. Go ahead and do some practice. Take the quiz. We have put a lot of effort in building these quizzes. If you find any mistakes, feel free to write in the comment. We will be happy to come and fix it. Help us make the course better. Thank you again. Practice more. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos.